we will discuss question number 13, page number 45. Question is, calculate and write the answer in scientific notation. First part, if each person in the world had 30 pieces of clothing, find the total number of pieces of clothing. So first we will discuss this part. Before move to the answering, you should know these things. That is 1 billion. 1 billion means 100 crore, and that you can write in exponential form as 10 raised to 9. And next one, 1 million. 1 million is 10 lakh. So the exponential form is 10 raised to 6. 1 lakh 5 zeros are there. 10 lakh 6 0. That is why 10 raised to 6. And in 1 billion there are 9 zeros are there. 1 with 9 0. That is why 10 raised to 9. Just like 1000. 1000 we can write as 10 cube. And 100 we can write as 10 square. So this power says how many zeros are there. And now 1 trillion. 1 trillion means 1 lakh crore. So exponential form is 10 raised to 12. Lakh 5 zeros are there. In 1 crore 7 zeros are there. So 7 plus 5, 12 zeros. So 10 raised to 12. Now comes to the first question. That is, if each person in the world had 30 pieces of clothing, find the total number of pieces of clothing. First we should know the world population, and it is 8 billion. 8 billion people are there in the world, and that we can write as 8 billion is, we can write as 8 into 10 raised to 9, because 1 billion 10 raised to 9. So 8 billion is 8 into 10 raised to 9. Now it is given in the question, with one person 30 pieces of clothes are there. That is given in the question, 30 pieces of clothes are with one person. Total piece of clothes in the world, that you can find by, that is 1 person 30 pieces of clothing, 2 person 2 into 30. You can find it by 2 into 30. If there are 3 person, total number of clothing is 3 into 30. So here in the world 8 into 10 raised to 9 people are there. So total clothes in the world, piece of clothes in the world, you can find by 8 multiplied with the 10 raised to 9. That is population, that multiply with the 30. Then you can find total number of piece of clothing. Now multiply this. That is, first we will write the number 8 into 30. 30 you can write 3 into 10. Then multiplied with the 10 raised to 9. This 10 raised to 9. So this become 24 multiplied with the 10 raised to 10 means 10 raised to 1. So this power become 10 raised to 1 into 10 raised to 9. So here base is same. So we can add the power. This become 10 raised to 10. So 24 multiplied with the 10 raised to 10. And we have to write the answer in scientific notation. So first part should be less than 10. So this is 24. This we can make less than 10 by take the decimal. Here there is no decimal, so we will consider it is here. Now take this decimal to here. So this become 2.4. Now in scientific notation 2 parts will be there. Second part is a power of 10. Here we are taking 1 place left, so power become 1, positive 1. We are moving left, so power is positive. Then 10 raised to 10, or this we can write 2.4 multiplied with the, here again 10 raised to 1 multiplied with 10 raised to 10, that is 10 raised to 11. Now comes to the second part of the question. There are about 100 million bee colonies in the world. Find the number of honey bees. Each colony there will be bees are there, and we have to find the number of honey bees if each colony has 50,000 bees. One colony 50,000 bees, and there are 100 million bee colonies are there. So we have to find total number of honey bees in the world. Answering, we can write number of bee colonies in the world, that is 100 million, and 100 million is 10 raised to 6, and 100 you can write 10 square, because 100 is 10 into 10, that is 10 square. Million means 10 lakh, that means 10 raised to 6. So this answer you can write 10 raised to 8, that is total number of bees colonies in the world is 10 raised to 8. Now in each colony, that is number of bees in one colony. In one colony, that is equal to 50,000. 50,000, or this we can write as 5 into 10,000, or in exponential form you can write 10,000 means 10 raised to 4, because there are 4 0, this become 10 raised to 4. So this is the number of bees in one colony. Now total number of bees in 10 raised to 8 colonies, that is one colony 5 into 10 raised to 4, two colony 2 into 5 into 10 raised to 4, 3 colony means 3 into 5 into 10 raised to 4. So total number of bees in 10 raised to 8 colonies, or 100 million colonies, you can find by 100 million multiplied with 5 into 10 raised to 4, or 100 million means 10 raised to 8. So 10 raised to 8 multiplied with 5 into 10 raised to 4, or this become 5 into this 10 raised to 8 multiplied with 10 raised to 4 is 10 raised to 12. So total number of bees in 100 million colonies is 5 into 10 raised to 12. That is the final answer. Now we will discuss the third part. Question is, third question. The human body has about 38 trillion bacterial cells. Find the bacterial population residing in all humans in the world. So in one human body 38 trillion bacteria, and in the world how many bacterial cells are there, that we have to find. So first we will write the total population of the world for the question number 3. That is world population is I already told in the first question 8 billion, or 8 billion we can write as 8 into 10 raised to 9. Billion is 10 raised to 9, so this is 8 into 10 raised to 9. And also given in the question number of bacterial cells in one human body, that is 38 trillion, and a trillion we already discussed in the starting. Trillion is 1 lakh crore, or in exponential form it is 10 raised to 12. That means number of bacterial cells in one human body is 38 into 10 raised to 12. So now we have to find number of bacterial cells in total population, that is 8 into 10 raised to 9 people. So total number of population you can find by 8 into 10 raised to 9 multiplied with 38 into 10 raised to 12. Or first I have written the numbers, that is 8 and 38. So 8 into 38, then 10 raised to 9 multiplied with the 10 raised to 12. And write it as 3.8 multiplied with the 10 raised to 1. I have written in scientific notation. 3.8 into 10, that is 38. Then 10 raised to 9 multiplied with the 10 raised to 12. That means when you multiply 8 into 3.8, first you multiply 38 with 8, that means 304. Now after decimal 1 place, so here also after decimal 1 place, and then here 10 raised to 1, 10 raised to 9, 10 raised to 12. So for multiplication, exponential multiplication, add the power, so this become 10 raised to 22. This 30.4, when we write in scientific notation, this should be a number less than 10. So this become 3.04 multiplied with the 10 raised to 1, because 30, this decimal will shift to here, because before the decimal only one single digit should be there, then only it becomes a number less than 10. First it was 30.4 and I have taken the decimal from here to one place left, then it become 3.04, and exponential, sorry, in scientific form, second part is power of 10. Since I have changed this decimal one place left, so power of 10 is 1. Then already 10 raised to 22 is there. So this become final answer 3.04. Again 10 raised to 1 into 10 raised to 22, that means 10 raised to 23. That is the final answer. And I hope all of you understood all these questions.